The world of mechanical keyboards is vast, offering an incredible variety of options to choose from. In this video, we present the best mechanical keyboards of 2023. To learn more about each keyboard and make a purchase, you can find the links in the description box below. Number 1. Keychron Q Series. The Q1 Pro stands out for its impressive wireless capabilities, but it's worth noting that the entire Q series of mechanical keyboards is exceptional. With outstanding build quality, extensive customization options, and a surprisingly reasonable price compared to keyboards offering similar features, Q keyboards set the bar high for high-end mechanical boards. Available in various sizes and layouts, ranging from compact 40% to expansive 108 key configurations. All Q boards feature premium aluminum frames, RGB lighting, hot swap switches, internal sound damping, and convenient programming options with QMK or VIA. Number 2. Keydous NJ80-AP. Despite its unassuming appearance, this compact keyboard packs an impressive array of high-quality components. It features premium box switches, durable PBT keycaps, a sturdy brass switch plate, ample internal foam for enhanced typing sound and feel, and convenient hot swap switch sockets. Right out of the box, it offers the best typing experience among all the keyboards on this list. However, if you desire further customization, this keyboard is also highly adaptable. Additionally, it boasts both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity options, making it our top choice for the best wireless mechanical keyboard. While the plastic case and non-standard programming software may not be ideal, the board's affordability sets it apart from similarly equipped keyboards, making it a great value for the features it offers. Number 3. Razer BlackWidow V4 75%. Razer's latest high-end keyboard successfully bridges the gap between gaming keyboards and custom boards by offering excellent switches, hot swap sockets, and a plethora of customization options, all crafted from high-quality materials. It even includes the popular tape mod favored by the community right out of the box. Additionally, the keyboard comes with a comfortable magnetic wrist rest, adding to the overall user experience. While it may not have the same weight as some premium mechanical designs, the BlackWidow V4 75% incorporates all the essential features that gamers desire, while also providing enough customization options for those who enjoy tweaking their setup. It's worth noting that despite the similar names, Razer's larger BlackWidow V4 Pro lacks many of these features, including the hot swap sockets. Number 4. Keychron K3 Pro. The Keychron K Pro series offers many of the same features found in the Q Pro keyboards, but in a compact and lightweight form factor. The K3 Pro, in particular, strikes a perfect balance between a compact layout and comfortable typing experience, eliminating the need for additional programming or muscle memory for most users. While there may be fewer options for switches and keycaps in this smaller size, the K6 Pro still provides some customization choices. Its RGB lighting and programming can be adjusted through the VIA software, and it also features hot swappable switches. These features are available across different layouts, including 65%, tinkerless, and full-sized options. However, we particularly appreciate the K6 Pro for its exceptional portability and travel capabilities. Number 5. G.Skill KM250. This compact keyboard offers an impressive array of features at an incredibly affordable price, making it our top choice for the best budget mechanical keyboard and budget gaming board. Despite its low cost, it doesn't compromise on quality, providing PBT keycaps, high-quality KL switches with hot swap sockets, vibrant RGB lighting, a convenient radial dial, and internal foam for sound damping. The value it offers for under $50 is truly remarkable, making it an excellent starting point for those who are unsure about investing in a more expensive board. The only notable absence is a programming tool, but considering the price, it's a fair trade-off.